Hello all my ninth class dear students. As you all are aware about your quarterly examination, so here I am present to give you all the details of your online quarterly examination, as well as I am going to tell you what is the syllabus and what is the paper pattern, as well as what instructions you should follow while attending the examination. So, as you know that the examination is going to start from the 4th of August, and the mode of examination is online, as same as that of the mock test. So you have already appeared for the mock test. Now you can easily appear for these quarterly examinations, as the mode is of the examination is same, that is online. You are well familiar with the online examinations now. The total marks for this, especially this subject, is 40 marks, and the total time which is allotted for the examination is of 1 hour. You have to complete your examination within given time. With this, what instructions you should follow, that I'll tell you. First, the examination will start at 8 a.m. and it will end by 9 a.m. As the examination is starting at 8 a.m., you should check your internet connectivity before appearing the examination. Same as that of mock test, you will be provided with the link. Link will be updated on app, our school app, at 7:55 a.m. Okay, the class teachers will update the link on the app at 7:55 a.m. that is 5 minutes before the examination starts. And you should get ready to submit the examination by 8:55, as your examination is ending by 9 a.m. To remember the ending time of the examination, you should set one alarm so that you can submit your examination successfully within given time. If you are not able to submit the examination within allotted time, then we are not able to see your marks. So try to submit your examination by keeping the submission time in your mind. Then, to avoid the network issues, check your internet connection before the examination so as to avoid the disturbance. Then, fill all the necessary information correctly. Like, you should fill your full name with your surname, right? Your name, your father's name, and your surname. Then fill your roll number in digits, your proper roll number. Okay, then divisions, choose your correct division. Then keep a rough notebook and pen near you to solve the problems. Okay, some numericals are there, so to solve those numericals, you keep one rough notebook and pen near you so as to avoid the disturbance. Then all the questions are compulsory in the examination. Try to attempt all the questions. Then check properly before submission for any mistakes. Then assessment is to check the understanding of subject and assess the progress of yours, which is the motive of studiers. So do study and avoid any unfair means, and told your parents to moderate you while giving the examination. I know that you all are loyal. You won't be doing any unfair means while attending the examinations. Okay, then we'll discuss about the syllabus of the science. So as you know that our science textbook is divided into three parts: chemistry, biology and physics. Already we have covered 5 chapters, but chapter 1 and chapter 15 are omitted from your syllabus. So you are having only 3 chapters for your examination. That is from chemistry lesson 2, that is matter around us pure. From biology, lesson number 5, the fundamental unit of life. And from physics, lesson 8, that is motion. So only 3 chapters are there for examination, and hope you all will do better. Then what is the paper pattern of examination, right? You might be thinking that because the examination is online examination. So as of that mock test, all the questions for this examination are also multiple choice questions. For each question, you will be provided with 4 options and you should select the correct answer from those 4 options. Then what kind of questions can be asked? So here we can ask the simple sentence based question, then we can ask the numericals, we can ask the questions related to the equations, then diagram based questions and the assertion reason question. Everywhere you will be provided with the 4 options. You have to just solve it and choose your correct answer. Is it okay? Now let us talk about the internal assessment. Internal assessment is a continuous part, right? So 20 marks are there for the internal assessment, as you all know that, and we consider this mark at the finals. As we have already discussed that how these 20 marks are distributed, but once again I'll tell you how these marks are distributed and what carries how much marks. So 5 marks are there for the portfolio. In that we are going to check your notebooks, worksheets and write-ups. So whatever work has been given till now, whatever chapters has been taught till now, you have to complete the given exercises of each and every chapter of all the subjects, because it is going to carry 5 marks. Okay, then 5 marks are there for the best of 2 exams for the final submission of the internal marks. So take all the exams seriously and do not miss out single exam. Then 5 marks are there for subject enrichment activity, that are the practicals. Now till now we have not conducted any practical, but we are planning to conduct the practicals, so it carries 5 marks. Then 5 marks are there for the multiple assessment, in that we are going to consider the observation, oral test, class discussion, self and peer assessment. After that, recently the CBSE has introduced the art integrated learning in all its affiliated schools. So you are also bound to do these art integrated learning. It has been introduced in your curriculum. Now what is this art integrated learning? From this only you understand that till now you learn art as a subject, right? But now we are going to correlate this art with the other subjects. Okay, अब तक आपने आर्ट को सिर्फ एक विषय के रूप में पढ़ा है, पर अब आर्ट की हेल्प लेके हम अदर जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाएंगे, सो दैट इससे क्या होने वाला है, इट विल डेवलप द क्रिएटिविटी, yes, it will develop the thinking process, yes, and it helps to make you to do the self study. It is a cross-curricular approach that utilizes various aspects and forms of arts and culture to learn the concepts of various subjects. Then for classes 9th and classes 10th, this art integrated learning is compulsory for all the subjects. You will be provided with the topics for this art integrated learning, and you have to complete these projects within given time. Then the approach will strengthen the linkage between the education and the culture. Okay, then for you all students, here we have provided with you some topics which are related to the science for the art integrated projects. So lesson wise, we have decided some topics, like from lesson 2, that is separation method. One project is there, that is prepare a water purification system by using household water material. Okay, then lesson number 5, fundamental unit of life. For that, use clear plaster of Paris and other material to make the model of cell. Then lesson number 13, why do we fall ill? Make a PowerPoint presentation on various types of pandemics. You can consider any type of pandemic, okay? You can consider this coronavirus pandemic also. Then lesson number 3, atoms and molecules. For that, make collage of scientists associated in research of atom and gather information about them. And from lesson number 15, improvement in food resources, collect the information of traditional food of Odisha and find the nutritive values. So these 5 projects we have decided. Now how you are going to complete it or how you are going to submit it, roughly I'll tell you. Again, we'll conduct one meeting for this. In that, we'll going to explain you all the details. So roughly how you are going to complete this project, that I'll tell you. So we are going to make a group of 8 students, right? For example, roll number 1 to 8, that will be first group, and that will be made, and it is again divided into subgroups, and each subgroup is provided with different works so that you can complete this work and no one will remain behind. Everyone's contribution is considered while doing this project. Okay, then one project will be allotted to the one group. Okay, so for example, if our class is divided into the 5 groups, then 5 groups will be provided with the 5 different projects. Each and every child will write his or her own project. Okay, though the topic for a particular group will be same, but you have to do your separate work on it, but that is will be in the collaboration, or that is with your peers. Okay, then month wise each subject project will be provided. For example, next month if we are going to give the science, then to that next month it might be the maths project, and for that particular month you have to submit that project. Okay, so month wise each subject project will be provided and you have to complete that within given deadline. So this is what about this quarterly examination. I hope all the doubts are cleared. As you all know that there is no elevator to success, you have to take these stairs. So do study, keep learning, and do your best. Best of luck, good luck for you for your exams. Thank you.